Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create the Carnival tents of our Purple Parade diorama. So once you have signed into Tinkercad, click on New and create a new 3D design. Rename your project. Of course, you'll be writing Purple Parade diorama, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to write Carnival tent. So to start our Carnival tent, we're going to create the top of the tent first. So I'm going to bring out this cone shape to the middle of my work plane. Okay, if you want, you can hold the shift button and drag the corner white square to resize it. Perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to push in one of the sides using the black white square. So just click and drag push in to maybe about 10 or whatever size that you're happy with. Next, I'm going to do something special here. I'm going to duplicate and I'm going to rotate this piece by either 10 or 20 degrees, up to you. So you should see something like this where it pops up. Next, I'm going to just keep clicking the duplicate button and you will notice that you will create duplicated copies of this shape and it repeats. Okay, now once done, what we're going to do here is a bit tedious. You can choose not to do this, but you can also do that to make it more interesting for your design. You can click on each alternate shape and alternate the colors. So what I'm going to do here is click on alternate shapes. So just be careful of doing that and alternate the colors. Okay, so if you find that the rotation angle of 10 is too small, maybe you can change it to 20. That wouldn't be too small. Alright, you might have to rotate your view so you get to see the different parts of your design. And then you can change and alternate the color accordingly. Okay, all done. Go back to your home view. Now we're going to group this together. So select all your top of the 10 shapes and do a group. And don't forget, you need to preserve multicolor if you have multicolor in your design. Now, if you don't want it to be so tall, you can actually reduce the height to make it flatter. So that will make a nice tent top shape. Okay, next, for the body of our tent, we're going to bring out a cylinder to the work plane. And of course, you can hold your shift key to resize this as well. And flatten it if you don't need it to be so tall. And change the color for the color that you like. Okay, now we're going to put the top of the tent on top of the body. So we're going to check the height of this. This is about 22 for my design. So I'm going to raise up my top of the tent by 22. And I'm going to do an align. So drag over both big shapes. Click on the align button and click the middle dots on the work plane. So that will be middle dot here and middle dot here. Okay, and that's your completed tent. So once done, don't forget to select all and do a group. And if you have different colors in your design, check that you have ticked multicolor. So this is how you create a Carnival tent.